What if I told you that we release a solid sphere, a solid disk, and a ring from the same height, all with the same mass? You might think they all arrive at the same time because same gravity, same hill, right? Wrong. The winner might surprise you, and the reason has almost nothing to do with mass or size. Stick around. We're doing the race for real, crunching the physics and revealing who wins and why. But before that, one more bonus bouncer. What if inclination plane has zero friction? Let's roll. Here are our three contestants. Solid sphere, solid disk, ring. All released from the same height, all rolling without slipping. Pause for a second. Who do you think will win? Comment your guess. And goo! The winner is says, solid sphere, solid disk is runner-up, and ring dead last. Wait, what? Why is the sphere faster? This secret can be revealed using many theories like energy conservation, force analysis, Lagrangian mechanics, time calculation, and direct acceleration comparison. Without doing long calculations, we can easily understand that highest acceleration object will reach at bottom sooner. So, let's compare it. For rolling without slipping, acceleration on incline is g sin theta by 1 plus I upon mr square. Now look carefully. G and inclination angle theta is constant. So everything depends on just one term, I, upon mr square. That's it. That ratio decides the winner. Because smaller value means smaller denominator, results in larger acceleration, which means faster object. For a solid sphere, the moment of inertia is 2 by 5 mr squared, which is 0.4. Pretty small. For a solid disk, it's 1/2 mr squared. That means 0.5. Slightly bigger. And for a ring, the moment of inertia is simply mr squared, which is 1. So look at that. 0.4, 0.5, and 1. Hence, with the smallest ratio, sphere becomes king of rolling race. Disk gets respectable silver, while ring is last but still cool. Mass doesn't matter. Radius doesn't matter, as long as they roll without slipping. Mind blown yet? That's why shape beats everything in this race. Now answer for a bonus bouncer. What if the surface had zero friction? Would they still roll? No, they would just slide. And then, all would reach together. Friction is actually helping in rolling motion here. Physics is full of surprises. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more physics battles, and tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay curious.